Now let's look at how we can apply the principles of design in some basic designs. When you start with a design brief or what information the graphic designer is given from the client, it's usually something very simple, such as this. They'll say they want a postcard size, they'll give you the dimensions, and they'll tell you the information, the name of the company, the location, maybe the website, and maybe something that they want written on the card. Everything after that is up to you to design. Whenever you're designing, you should always come up with multiple options for the client. You never want to just do one and then just say, okay, one and I'm done. You always want to play around with different versions. So just for this quick example, I chose Allendale Bar and Grill. I chose a serif font because it's an older establishment. It's geared towards families or locals. It's not a kid place, so I'm not going to change it into a kid font or a handwriting font. And it kind of has an old school tavern feel to it, so I chose this kind of antique looking ABG font in here. Now I'm playing around with different alignments. Here I have a left, basically a left alignment. Over here I have a right alignment. And again, this is the information I was given. And how am I going to change that and use the principles of design to apply it? So I have the title large because that's what we're selling, is the name of the place. And then I have the features, different things, and then using proximity, I'm grouping all the information down here, like the address, phone number, and web address. So this is an example of a basic right alignment. And my design element would be kind of these repeating bars or lines that I've drawn. In this version, I'm sticking with a similar theme for the title, and then I've taken the bars and made them horizontal, and I've done everything with a center alignment. So here I have features, all the things. I've added these little bullets. Maybe it's overkill, maybe I don't need them. And then the 3 lines again, and then the information of where to go. So this would be an example. And then you would just want to copy and paste that, and you'd want to just keep going and change it up and see what looks better where, how you can change it. Your elements can change, your text can change, everything can change. From here, maybe I want to do a left alignment, get rid of all these. So you always want to do, at least at the very minimum, you want to do 3 sketches. So here's three examples. From there you would then pick which one you like the best, or you would allow the client to pick which one they like the best. That's just a very brief example of how you would kind of play around with things using the principles of design.